It's super easy to do. It took me like 3 hours or so. Trust me, I was even surprised of myself because of the how short it took me. I did it really fast, the hairstyle, and it was full, super full, as a client requested that the hairstyle is full. And yeah, so her hair is long in texture. As you can see, it's super long. Her hair is super, it's long enough. And yeah, so there's the locks, the soft locks, they came with the pre-loops. They're pre-looped, and this is the loop at the top, and I'm just gonna go in with my crochet pin, and then I'm gonna loop it through the root of the soft lock, and then I'm gonna pull it through. And normally it takes a shorter time to install. The fact that it's short and you don't have a lot of hair to weave through the extension, the lock. So the longer the hair is, the more time it will take. This is my first braid. See how easy it is to move around. It is firm in the root, but it's not tight. I did the knotless method. I braid her hair in the knotless method, so it's super easy to and pain free. Protective style. It's a protective style, so if you want to cut down on any heat or any tension, any other style that you think causes tension to your hair, and it grows your hair as well. And the knotless method, the braiding your natural hair and then doing the soft lock over your natural hair, it protects your hair as well. And yes, if you want to stop using like heat and or minimize the amount of heat that you use in your hair, or any sort of tension hairstyles that are painful for your hair, I would say this is an ideal style for you to try. It's super soft. They're super soft and lightweight as well. If you know you have headaches with the heavy braid, these locks are lightweight and easy to carry around, easy to style, and you can try it out. I'm in the Toronto area. If you want to, I'm in the Toronto area, so you can just follow my Instagram. I'll leave everything in the description down below. Like 30 minutes, this is where I am right now. Almost covered the back. I'm like 3/4 in the way, 3/4 finish. So yeah, it's easy to install, super easy, and pain free. And yeah, so the texture of her hair is natural, and I think it's like semi-natural. The roots and what's not, it's natural and strong. It's very strong. And you see, when I flip them up, they're not painful. S-H-E-N
I'm going to use my 2-in-1.
D-Y.
Is the brand. 2-in-1 is the scalp smoother.
W.
And the hair, an oil
2011.
Yeah. So if there is any tension, which client said it wasn't tight.
So S-H-E-N
spray some of that on my hair. It smells really pleasant. The hairspray smells really pleasant, and it lasts a while, and it's not too oily. It's not oily at all. You don't have the kind of greasy feeling or clammy feeling to your hair. It's super lightweight. Okay, it's super lightweight and it smells nice.
Rosemary.
Thank you. That was so quick. Because when I told my husband, I'm like,
It normally takes a lot of longer time, and like
really?
I'm getting better at it.
You've always been fast, actually. You've always been fast.
On the roots. Yes.
Because when I told my husband we're done, he's like, "You guys are done?" I'm like, "Yeah."
If you know,
He's gonna pick you up.
No. He wanted to, because he's gonna send it to you. Send the money to you.
Thank you so much. I mean, God continue to bless and strengthen each and every
So I didn't want him distracted.
of you. Continue to watch my videos, continue to share them, continue to comment, continue to interact.
don't be scared. And I am finished her hair. This is the finished look. Super lightweight on her hair. It's the hairs from Amazon, and they have different lengths and then I trim her hair a little, just a little, to get a kind of like even out look to it. So yeah, these are some of the photos, and I'll catch you in my next video. So bye.